started with math. In this feature, you can add mass of apples and run, and there's also nutrients. What's not good in this feature is that it has limited inputs. It can only go to 5 because of the size of the size, and it can be more, and the way of inputting materials can be improved also, like putting, rather than just doing this, you can mostly adjust and type in the number you want. So next, for the Arbor scientific air powered projectile is, what's good about this is that it shows output well. For example, you run that. Another is when you try to input a different conditions with an initial angle. What's good about this is you can compare and contrast different scenarios. For example, this one and this one. Next is it shows the outputs well, like it has a record here. What's lacking here is the details. For example, these arrows, what does this mean? And maybe shows the records, smaller records for the past scenarios. Next is the McKinsey company. So this one, what's good about this one is that it can show, for example, let's put in some inputs, and that will show the graph. Next is we can add scenarios when the limit is 3, and we can easily compare and contrast the different scenarios. Let's add another one right here. It has different colors, so you can distinguish which one is which. And what's good about this is you can hide and show the scenarios. For example, you would like to compare scenario 1 and scenario 2, you can just hide scenario 3, and when you're done, you can again show scenario 3. Last is the harness the power of wind. What's good about this is that the menu is up there, so the temperature form, so you can go from here to here or go back without hassle. Next is the definitions. You can either click it here, which is good, you can see the visuals, and you can also click it here. What's good about this is it's not linear. You can go back and forth in your own discretion, and you can also with this one you can it's not linear, so you can also go back when you want to. Next is the interactivity, which is what I like most. You can add or try some different inputs that will show the outcomes, different outcomes and results. And lastly is the learn more, where you are linked to more resources about that